Yo guys, what's up, man? What's up? So let's go see what my dad's doing. Okay, let's go see. Oh, doen ze crossword? Ja, is nog vroeg nog. Play mij binnen nog. Nog baie early. Baie early. So that is what he does every single day. He does his crossword puzzles, word search crossword puzzles. He just relax. Okay, so the language that I just spoke, that was Dutch. Afrikaans, it's like quite similar to Dutch. Okay, so yeah. So guys, this is my second video for today. The first video, you guys can watch that video. That video is very emotional, because as I said in that video, this I'm unemployed. I'm looking after him, my dad, the guy you just saw, and I'm desperately need of assistance financially in the time being. For the time being, you know, if you guys can make a donation, I don't care if it's small or big or medium size. I don't care. I will still appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, because guys, it's very very tough um, to look after my dad. It is not like I'm saying that I don't want to look after him and I'm sick and tired of looking after him. It's all because understand, you need to provide for him also. So that's why. And like I said in the video, in my previous video, nobody is supporting us. Nobody. Right? So I would really appreciate it. You guys can, make a small contribution towards me until one day, if this YouTube channel of mine takes off, really takes off, um, and start making money from this channel. Okay, so this is how my house look. You guys can see. This is my dining room. My dining room over here. This is my kitchen. This is my kitchen. Okay, bathroom. This is my room. Okay, it's a bit dark in here. It's a bit dark in here. Okay, and the room we were in now, this is my dad's room. So I'm living in a two-bedroom house. In a two-bedroom house. Okay, yeah. So that is it. This is just a mini video that I've made. Okay, and I'll see you guys for more. Okay, oh, before I forget, my PayPal link is in my bio, or it's either in my bio or in my description. You guys can click on it. Okay, and peace.